Hello everyone. Welcome to another session by iQUANTA. My name is Kaushal Jha and today we're going to talk about the top MBA colleges of India. हम लोग अक्सर लगता है कि यार कैट क्यों दे रहे हैं, मतलब कौन से कॉलेजेस मिलेंगे. फॉर दोज रीजंस आई विल ट्राई टू कवर व्हाट योर ड्रीम बी स्कूल्स माइट लुक लाइक. तो शुरू करते हैं. Let's start from the holy trinity of IIM which are IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Bangalore, IIM Calcutta. IIM Ahmedabad is actually known for its iconic red bricks building, which many CAT aspirants aspire to reach. IIM Ahmedabad was founded in 1961 December, and Vikram Sarabhai was one of the notable founders. Apart from its flagship program, it also offers programs in business agri management, fellowship program, as well as a few here and there training certificates for executives. Apart from that, in the circuit, IIM Ahmedabad is also known as the Mecca of marketing. Having said that, it is a given that there are other companies of consulting, product as well as finance that are coming into the campus for placements, but it is known that it is very good in marketing. So if you are a marketing professional or an enthusiast, IIM Ahmedabad is the place to go. There is another point to note that IIM Ahmedabad actually prioritizes diversity a lot. So let's say you're a humanities student and you're excelled in your field, you might get a certain relaxation when it comes to the admission in IIM Ahmedabad. But having said that, of course, you'll have to impress the interviewers when you actually go through the process, and your overall profile does matter as well if you want to get an admission in IIM Ahmedabad. Moving on to the next part of the Holy Trinity, IIM Bangalore. IIM Bangalore was actually founded in 1973. This was the third IIM to be established after Calcutta and Ahmedabad. And apart from the flagship course, there are other programs offered as well in doctoral, executive education, and a few certificate programs. The flagship program is actually available in three modes: 2-year full-time, 1-year full-time, and a 2-year course of executives, which is only available on weekends. Just like IIM Ahmedabad is famous for its marketing, IIM Bangalore is famous for its consulting. But having said that, again, top companies from other profiles are also visiting the campus for placements. Talking about the campus, IIM Bangalore is spread across beautiful green campus of roughly 100 acres of land. Also has a heterogeneity factor for you to explore your talents and your individuality when you become a part of Bangalore. Next, moving on to IIM Calcutta, also known as Joka. Joka is actually the name of the village where IIM Calcutta campus is situated, roughly around 40 to 45 kilometers from the heart of the city. Also my campus, it was my alma mater. Some things famous about the Joka campus is the 7 lakes that they have. You might find a Monty here and there, which is basically a shorter term for monitor lizards, and a few snakes here and there as well. IIM Calcutta was the first IIM to be established in the country in 1961 November. Apart from the flagship course, IIM Calcutta also has a 1-year full-time postgraduate in diploma, MBA degree, 1-year full-time again for experienced executives, a Doctor of Business Administration program, a 2-year full-time diploma in business analytics course, and a course on healthcare management. IIM Calcutta is also the only college in India which is a part of SEMS Global Alliance. So let's say if you have a good profile and if you do well in your term 1 and 2, you might be spending your term 4 and term 5 in one of these colleges which is also a part of SEMS, maybe in Europe or maybe in America. And just like IIM Bangalore is famous for consulting, IIM Ahmedabad is famous for marketing, IIM Calcutta is famous for finance. So if you're a finance enthusiast, Joka is the place for you to be at. IIM Calcutta also prioritizes diversity a lot. More than 1/3 of the candidates are actually females, and there are a lot of freshers as well. So this covers the holy trinity of IIM ABC. Roughly the average package of all three colleges is more than 35 lakhs per annum. Now let's move on to the next category of top B schools. Next comes ISB, Indian School of Business. There are two campuses of ISB, founded in 2001 in Hyderabad and the recently launched campus in 2012 in Mohali. ISB is also the only top college which takes into consideration your GMAT score as well, while the other IIMs consider it only for their executive programs. In many ways, ISB is actually at par with all the top 3 colleges that we talked about, if not better. But the only caveat is ISB has a higher fees as well as it is only a 1-year full-time MBA course. Another important point to note is ISB's prioritization of the entrepreneurial spirit that it wants to drive in the campus. So it provides a lot of support if a job is not something that you are after. An average package from ISB might look like somewhere around 34 lakh per annum. Next comes XLRI Jamshedpur. Founded in 1949, XLRI Jamshedpur is one of the oldest B schools in India. It is also considered one of the best in Asia when it comes to its HR management program. And just like IIM Calcutta, probably because of the proximity of the locations of Jamshedpur and Calcutta, it is also known for its jovial and cheerful as well as collaborative culture. It also has a very balanced gender ratio. Apart from its 2 flagship programs, one a 2-year full-time diploma in business management and the other a 2-year full-time diploma in HR management, XLRI also offers an 18-month diploma in general management, a 3-year full-time diploma in business management for executives, a fellowship program, and a program on entrepreneurship, innovation, and venture creation. An average package from XLRI would roughly be around 32 lakhs per annum. Moving on to the next college, IIM Lucknow. Established in 1984, apart from its flagship program, it offers fellowship program as well as executive programs. One of the top 4 IIMs, it boasts of the highest number of cultures and committees in any top B school. Plus, it also has student-run ventures for food as well as clothing inside the campus. IIM Lucknow recently opened another Noida campus for executive MBA as well as sustainability management programs. An average package from IIM Lucknow roughly also looks around 32 lakhs per annum. Next comes FMS Delhi. Founded in 1954, FMS also boasts of being one of the oldest B schools in India. Apart from the full-time MBA course, FMS offers an executive MBA course, an executive MBA in healthcare management, and a doctoral program as well. FMS also has a smaller batch size, roughly around 300-350 plus. And it actually is the best college in the world when it comes to return on investment because the fees is roughly around 2.5 lakhs, while the average package from FMS can go up to 34 lakhs per annum. Now let's talk about SP Jain. Named after the Padma Bhushan Shreyans Prasad Jain, SP Jain Institute of Management and Research is located in Mumbai. It was founded in 1981 and offers multiple full-time courses like the 2-year PGDM, the 18 months PGPM, 11 months course for PGP for women, 6 months course for global management program, and a fellowship program as well. Apart from that, they have a number of modular programs as well for family businesses, executives in the social sector as well. Apart from that, they have a few shorter term programs like Start Your Business, Grow Your Business, Management Development programs, and Doing Business in India. SP Jain also boasts of a very diversified student community because they have no reservation policy. Packages in SP Jain roughly on an average look around somewhere 33 lakhs per annum. Now let's talk about another IIM. IIM Calicut, earlier known as Calicut in Kerala, was established in 1996 and was the 5th IIM of the country. There was another campus set up in Kochi in 2012. Apart from its flagship program, it also offers programs in finance, in business leadership, in liberal studies and management, a doctoral program, and an executive program as well. Spread across 2 hills in the second largest city of Kerala, IIM K boasts of a beautiful campus. Average packages roughly range around 31 lakh per annum. Now let's talk about the last but not the least, IIM Indore in the top 10 B schools that we have covered. IIM Indore, also established in 1996, IIM Indore was the 6th IIM to be established in the country. Apart from the flagship program of MBA, it also offers 2 programs for management executives, an integrated program in management IPM, a fellowship program for executives, a faculty development program, and programs on business analytics as well as HRM. Compared to older IIMs, it usually has a higher intake of students, and the average packages roughly range around 30 lakhs per annum. These were the top 10 B schools of India. Now, of course, there are very good MBA colleges apart from these as well, like MDI Gurgaon, Jamnalal Bajaj, Narsi Munji, IIM Shillong, and IIM CAPS, and the respective IITs as well. The packages on an average of which we have put up on your screen. So these are the B schools that you are aspiring for. For that, you'll have to ensure that you get a very good CAT score so that you get calls from these B schools. If you have any concerns or doubts regarding your CAT preparation journey or any doubts regarding iQUANTA's CAT course, you can join a WhatsApp group for free, the link of which will be posted in the description of this video. There's also a community established there which will help you resolve all your doubts. Otherwise, you can always reach out to me as well. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, there are a lot of videos in pipe which will be helping you out for your CAT preparation journey. So subscribe right now. Thank you for watching.